Just a step, cried the sad man. Take a look down at the madman. Theater kings on silver wings fly beyond reason. From
Hey, you YouTubers and knife nuts, New Jersey Devil Tactical here, bringing you another unboxing and first impression video. Alright, well, I got these in today, a whole box of knives here, and this shipment came from Hong Kong. These are some of the low budget knives I got in, and I guess most of them come from China, I guess, and but I did have to open it just to make sure they were all here. You know how the shit is when they come from Hong Kong or China. You know, you got to make sure your shit's there. You know, so you can get back in touch with them real quick, because it takes forever to get here if anything's screwed up. So, all right, so let's get to it and see what the hell's in the box, huh? All right, let me put the box right here. This is the first one here. It is a. This is a Chris Reeves knockoff knife. That's basically what this is. Part number F32. And this is it right here. It comes with a sheath. And it's made by GONZO. GONZO Tools. So, it comes with a little leather lanyard here with a little chain. And that's it. You know, pretty good looking knife. Nice and tight. Has Chris Reeves on there. It's a nice looking knife. It's nice and solid. Blade's pretty thick. It's a liner lock. You know. I will be going over these knives quickly, you know, since I have so many. But it is centered. You know, a nice tight lockup. So that's the first one. This is the Chris Reeves knockoff, I guess is what you would call it. So we'll put that one there. Let me put them away, at least get a look at them, so I can fit all these in here. So there's the Chris Reeves. I'll put the sheath up here. We don't need to see the sheath. Alright, next one is model 962. Alright. Put the plastic back in here. And this is one of the Benchmade looking knives. It says land on the side. Nice like tiger stripe handle there. It's a G10 handle. Got a lanyard. Flow through design. Solid lockup. Ball lock works good. Dead centered. And they all of them are pretty sharp. Hollow ground blade. It's got a little spider hole in it, so now it's a nice little Chinese knife. Alright. So we'll put this one here. Number 2. And this is another GONZO. Model G704. And I think this is the 428C. G10 handles. Also has the Benchmade, I guess it's an axis lock there. Centered, nice and tight. It's not a bad looking blade. Steel's 428C on that. Alright. Alright, here's a B. And this is Let's see. Oh, this is that one with the Damascus blade. G10 handles. Liner lock. It is centered. It's got your disc on the top. Nice and tight. So, that's that one there. Trying to make enough room here. I'm going to watch my time. So, here's another one. This has the green and black handles. This is the 8 CR13 MOV steel. Yeah. This is the LO4. Yeah, the steel is the 813 CR13 MOV. Yeah. That's a nice looking one. Put this one here. Alright, let's get another one. This is this is that one with the stonewash finish. G10 handles. It's a nice looking knife. Model number EL02B. It's a nice looking knife. Good feel. It's got the ball lock, axis lock there. Centered. That's a nice looking knife too. Alright, let me put this over here. I don't even know what I'm going to do with these yet. I just wanted to pick them up to see. Because I heard, you know, they're pretty good quality. So far, they seem to be pretty good for an Oriental knife. You know what I mean? Alright, here's the next one. This has the cool looking handle on there. G10. Tanto looking blade. Hollow ground. Liner lock. Everything's all centered up. It's a nice looking knife. And they feel good. They feel like a pretty decent quality. Alright. Got another one. This is the L06. L06. And this has the black and red handles. That's a nice looking knife. Nice upsweep, hollow ground. Man, my right shoulder's killing me from this surgery. But that's a nice looking knife. G10 handles. Liner lock. Everything's nice and centered. Here's another one. Here, let me open this one. Alright, let's get another one. This is the LO1 MCT. And this is supposed to have the G10 handle, or that's wood or something, but that's a nice sharp looking knife. It's got the thumb disc on top. Hollow ground. Nice looking knife. And they're all pretty sharp, I gotta admit it. Blade's nice and centered. Yeah, nice knife. I mean, you're getting these knives anywhere from $8 to $20. I mean, how you can't beat that. Alright. I think I got one more. Yeah, one more. This is a Browning. This is the only one that I seen that was not perfect. Man, this fucking thing is heavy too. Let's see if I can find room for that one there. We'll put that one right there. Here's a Browning with a thumb disc. That fucking knife must weigh 9 ounces. It's got like wood handles or plastic handles. Browning. Pretty sharp. Minor lock. The only thing, the centering it is not perfect on this, as you see. So this is the only one I got to get in contact with them about. So, it has a flicker there on the back, but also it ain't locking out right. So, but besides that, it's locking out now. But besides that, it's a nice looking knife. So there you go. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 knives from Japan or China. Well, I think they're Chinese knives, and but they're all pretty good condition. They look nice. Yeah, no complaints about them really so far. You know, I'll give a full review on them, or maybe one at a time, if ever I choose to do it after I put them through the grinder. So, all right, I just want to show you these knives, and I didn't want to unbox them one at a time because, you know, these I call them throwaway knives. I don't believe they deserve each individual attention to unbox one at a time. You know, they're not top quality knives. They're not very good knives. They're good knives, you know. So that's why I unboxed them all one time. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. You know, you got to see some knives, and yeah, I would recommend them. Sure, you know what I mean. You don't want to spend more than 20 bucks on a knife. Send away to Hong Kong, and I got all these for like 70, 80 bucks. You know what I mean? So how can you go wrong with that? Hell, the one that breaks, you throw the fuck away. So, all right, guys. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any of these knives, get in touch, leave in the comment box, and you know, tell me how yours is working out. I can tell you the makers are, some are ENLAN and Browning, SANRENMU, and the other one is, the other maker is GONZO. So if you have any of those 3 brands, let me know how yours is working out for you. Alright? Alright, guys, you have yourself a good evening, good day, wherever the hell you're at. And like I always say, stay scary sharp out there, guys. Alright, New Jersey Devil Tactical out here. I'll see you. Bye.
Just a step, cried the sad man. Take a look down at the madman.